Hello, my friends. If you're watching this video, it's because you're about to make a robot with empty rolls of paper. These are so much fun to collect. I have a bag in the bathroom, and every time the bathroom paper is empty, I put it in the bag. I collect them so I can make a lot of different craft with it. But today, we're going to dress them up as robots. Are you ready? These are the different kind of templates we have. We have 4 of them that you can color. And then we have a blank one that you can just create your own design. Make your own type of hands, your own type of eyes and ears, wheels, whatever you want to make this robot look like. This is the one you can use for that. If you just want to color a robot, then you can choose from the other 4. Now I'm going to show you which sections forms the body of the robot.
Is this section right here, this one right here, and this one right here. Actually, there's 5 right here and the center part. You see that? So whatever color you choose for your body, you paint it on these sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I chose pink for my body, for the body of my robot. See that? After you color the body, then you go to the arms. You choose what you want for the arms. Okay, so I'm done coloring my robot. I also decided to color the head pink. You can choose any color for the head, but I want it to be pink like the body. And I did not color this section here because this is where the glue goes after you're done cutting it. And you're going to paste it to the empty paper roll. So we're ready to cut, and we are going to cut right on the dotted line. See all the dotted line? Cut all around here. Take your scissors and go all the way around. The tricky part is going to be the shoulders. You go around the arm, the shoulder, and make that curvy line in the neck, and then go around the head, and again around, curvy line, and the shoulders. Cut all the way around, and then we're ready to put it on the empty paper roll. I left the space for the glue. We're ready to glue it into the empty roll of paper. You have to turn it around, and we're only going to add glue in the bottom part. You don't need glue on the head because the head is just going to be sticking out. So let's do that. Only in the bottom part. Now when you're ready to glue it to the empty paper roll, make sure the bottom edge align to the bottom of the roll. Okay. This part is going to go down first, the white part. And the other part is going to overlap and cover the white part like this, see? See how it got together, the belt and the wheels? And there you are. There you have it. This is for you to create your own robot. It won't have the things, the piece for you to color. It's just blank. You're going to create your own style. So you choose. Do you want to color a robot or do you want to create a robot? You can come up with the eyes, your own eyes, maybe a triangle eye. And does it have a belt? Doesn't have a to have a belt like this one. This one has a belt, has arms. Maybe it's just going to be plain, or lines, or no wheels, or maybe just one wheel. But it's going to be up to you. You are going to be the creator of every detail for this next robot. Have fun. I want to show you the other robots. This is the other ones I made. Different colors. You don't have to choose the same colors. You can choose any color you want. This one I colored in the computer and I printed them out just so I can show you the different colors and style. But when you create your own, it will come out all the way around like that.
Okay, this is it. It's your turn now. You're going to choose one of these and you're going to color it any style you want. Okay, if you decide to make your robot with a blank template, then you can draw the details of your robot, the arms, the eyes, the wheels, whatever you would like to add to the robot. Or you can use this sheet right here. It has arms, wheels, and different kind of shapes that you can use to design your own robot. First, you will need to color the body. Then you choose the pieces that you're going to use for your robot. Color those pieces, cut them, and add them to your robot. And that's it. Hope you have fun creating these robots. See you next time with more good ideas.